Esteemed scholars, welcome back. It's good to have you with us again. Don't forget, we would appreciate it if you continue to like our videos, you continue to share, repost them, and if you continue to subscribe to our channel. We are discussing sorts. We've already examined perfect squares. Let's look at another concept as we lay the foundation for sorts: non-perfect squares. Non-perfect squares. The non-perfect squares are whole numbers whose square roots are not whole numbers. If I am a whole number and when you take my square root, the answer you get is not a whole number, then you say that I am a non-perfect square. These non-perfect squares are whole numbers or integers whose square roots are not whole numbers or integers. They are known as non-perfect squares. Let's see examples. Examples of non-perfect squares include 2. 2 is a non-perfect square. 3. 3 is a non-perfect square. 5, a non-perfect square. 7, a non-perfect square. 8, a non-perfect square. Even 6. 6 is also a non-perfect square. 10 is a non-perfect square. 11 is a non-perfect square. 12 is a non-perfect square. 13 is a non-perfect square. 14 is a non-perfect square. 15 is a non-perfect square. 17 is a non-perfect
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
square. 18 is a non-perfect square. 19 is a non-perfect square. 20 is a non-perfect square, and so on and so forth. Therefore, non-perfect squares are numbers that are not perfect squares. Numbers that are not perfect squares are known as non-perfect squares. It is the square root of these non-perfect squares that is called surds. It is the square root of non-perfect that are called surds. The square root of a non-perfect square produces a surd. So, examples of surds. include square root of 2, otherwise known as root 2, is a surd. Square root of 3 or root 3 is a surd. Square root of 5, otherwise called root 5, is a surd. Square root of 7, otherwise called root 7, is a surd. Even the square root of 6, otherwise called root 6, is a surd. Square root of 8, otherwise called root 8, is a surd, and so on and so forth. So surds are the square root of non-perfect squares. They are usually irrational numbers. Surds are irrational numbers. Surds are irrational numbers, being square roots of non-perfect squares. So now that we know what surds are and some examples of surds, the next thing would be to take some laws of surds in what now follows. But in the meantime, continue to like our videos, continue to repost or share them, and ultimately, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video where we're going to be discussing laws of surds. Thank you, esteemed scholars. Diamonds that shine. I just called the RBN.